Hello, this is Ông Dev. Welcome to my new video. Many followers requested me to make a video about how I have learned English. So this is it, a quick video sharing some tips and suggestions that might be helpful for some of you. And to make it a bit more challenging, I will do it in English. Before I start, believe me, I am not a really good English speaker and I didn't spend much time studying it. So don't expect that I will speak with native accent, perfect grammar or fabulous vocabularies. No, I won't. I am a software engineer, not English related YouTuber. Well, back to when I was a third year student at the university. Although my academic program was 100% in English, I could hardly speak a complete English sentence. Not to mention other skills like listening to the lecturers, reading the huge textbooks, or writing several thousand words papers. I tried my best to avoid every presentation and discussion in class. The struggle were real. In fact, I did take the TOEFL IBT examination as a requirement to get the third year scholarship. But yeah, I only got 51 per 120 points. Of course, I failed. Now that you all know about my situation back then, if you find yourself in the same situation, remember, never too late to learn. In the fourth year of university, I officially learned to become a software engineer. And to become a real good software engineer, English is a must because it is the key to access countless reliable and diverse technical documents and resources, in which you can find a mass of interesting and valuable information. By that reason, I was strongly encouraged to throw myself into English. My first tip is don't just think you need to study English because everyone does. Find yourself a strong and specific reason to be good at English and be motivated by it. Actually, I learned English by not learning English. Sounds really weird, right? But it's true. I didn't take any English courses or learn from books. I basically just changed all language settings around me to English, such as phone, laptop, PC, movie subtitle, and so on. Everything. Make a guess if you don't really understand. If you really need to know the definition of some words, search for them in the English dictionary instead of translating them into Vietnamese. By this way, I got used to English day by day and sometimes learned an interesting word or idiom. Like a baby, you don't need to understand it all. You just need to get familiar with the language first.
2,000 years later.
And there came a day like other days. I just finished watching a Udemy video. I realized I had not turned on the subtitle, but I still understood it all. It was the very moment I knew I make it. I used only English to study software engineering. No Vietnamese courses, no Vietnamese search, and no Vietnamese documentation. Let's try to type, think, and search in English only. What else? Give it a try to apply for an international or English-speaking company. Force yourself to experience a total English working environment and don't be afraid to make mistakes. You will improve on your English skill without knowing it. This is also the reason why I chose Seals, a Dutch company, to be my first company. So, those are some tips that I used to reach my current English level. And again, I definitely cannot have you to get the band score 8.0 in IELTS. I'm just sharing for you to feel more comfortable with English and make a move. Let's see, what have I achieved from my English skill? I used to really admire those friends who can communicate fluently with the foreigners, and I couldn't help but feel pity for myself. And now I am working with the best engineers in the world every day. I have lunch and discussed with a 20 years experienced engineer. How wonderful it is, right? And I got chance to travel to the Netherlands for an on-site trip and then visited several European countries. I didn't have any difficulties talking with my coworkers or having a chat with the passerbys. I love exploring cultures, food, and history of countries, and English supports me a lot. By learning English, I know more about the world out there. Like, you know, the windmill in Holland, right? In the past, the windmills were not built for generating electricity. They were built for avoiding flood and redirecting the water from the lowland to the river. Alright, that's it. I hope you enjoy my sharing and find some helpful tips to learn English. If you like this video, smash the like and share buttons. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to receive my new videos. If you have any questions, just comment below or send a message to my Facebook page. Alright, bye bye, see ya!